birthday, Aaralyn.
That was so off.
I know. That was so
We're like, happy birthday! And I was like, happy birthday! I'm like, wait, what?
Happy birthday, baby. Aaralyn, our youngest, is 10 years old today. She's 10 years old. Do you remember being 10 years old,
Do you
Kaylee?
remember when you were 9, Aaralyn?
Yes.
Do you remember being 10, Aaron?
Aaron was 10 out the long ago.
Do you remember the last time
You
we played
remember
hide and
being
go
10?
seek in the dark at 9?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hide and seek in the dark at
Dad.
11:52.
Yeah.
I mean 12:52.
Happy birthday.
I mean 11:52.
That was the last time you played hide and go seek.
Birthday, baby. Happy 10th birthday. This is your first present.
Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños querido, cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz.
Okay. Over here we have the sporty girls. Give it up. Woo, 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 woo. Over here we have M and A. Woo! Over here we have Team. Woo, woo. You can open your baskets for your mystery items.
Goldfish and cheese. What is this?
It's cheese. It's a garlic cheese.
Ooh, so
And it's actually really good.
We have goldfish.
And you got, yes.
Take down, down. 100 girls to the world. Take down. So sweet, so easy on the eyes, but hideous on the inside.
Sophia, what is your strategy today?
We really don't have.
You don't have one yet? Who's your teammate, Katarina? What is your strategy today? What are you guys gonna make? What are you guys gonna make?
We're gonna make the ramen, and then we're gonna put the eggs in it.
Are you gonna make a soup?
Yes.
No? You're gonna make it separate?
Yeah.
Okay. Chef Aaralyn,
Yes.
what is your, yes, you can rinse it off. What are you and Maria doing today?
let me see what the
What is Team M&A doing?
Okay.
You see the ice cream?
The ramen in the bowl. We're making deviled egg.
Okay. Ooh,
You want to use a bowl?
We're gonna make the ramen and mix. We're gonna figure out what to do with the bowl.
that's a great idea. I love that. I love that. Really. Okay, girls, what team? What is your strategy today, team?
It looks really gross. Wait, just you have to give it a moment.
That's not working.
It worked when I did it. Yeah. This is
Into the night, 'cause I see your real face and it's ugly as sin. Paint a picture in your place, 'cause you're rotten within. When your petals start to show, it makes the hatred wanna grow out of my veins. I don't think you're ready for the takedown. Break you into pieces in a world of
we're gonna start with Team Sporty Girls. Can you tell us what you made and what you did?
So we smashed the eggs and then put seasonings on it, and then a lot of seasonings. And then after that we cooked the noodles, and then we put the egg on top, added more seasonings, and we added crushed up cheese fish, whatever they call it.
It sounds I don't eat that.
The goldfish, the cheese fish.
Garlic stuffed cheese.
Yes, yeah.
And then we added
Sounds good. Okay, we have to take Team M&A. What do we have?
Okay, so we have some ramen that we strained, put some seasoning, broccoli, and butter. And then we made some deviled eggs on the side, and had some ruffles and green beans. And then for the drink, we have a secret M&A juice that you will not be knowing.
Ooh, okay. Let's check it out. Team. What do we have here?
We made ramen with deviled eggs, sausage, and a crunch crumble inside.
Ooh,
I think it sounds much more fancy than it is.
that's fancy.
Theirs looks beautiful.
Yeah. We didn't pick just one winner. We gave awards to each team.
For the picture perfect ramen
Goes to.
Team.
Woo woo!
Perfect. I mean, y'all look like it came out of a restaurant.
It really did.
Description where she did it with the garnish.
Yeah. It was just ramen noodle. Like you could tell you girls eat at ramen, or you guys have done that.
Yes.
That's the way it looks when they serve it.
Yes.
Now, the award for creativity in using your ingredients goes to M&A. By doing the deviled egg on the side.
Yes, and it was really good, creative, putting the cheese in there too.
Yes. And the award for best flavor goes to Sporty Girl.
Yeah. They were. Woo! They were all tasty, but you know we had to choose. Yeah, let's, lady.
Bad time, but you just crossed the line. You wanna get wild? Okay, I'll show you wild. Better come right, better luck trying, get into a level. Cause you might die another the time, trying to start a battle. Bleeding isn't in my blood, there's a quick that so beating you is what I do, yeah. Body, I'm naughty, but sorry. And when you pull up, I pull up a little late to the party. La, I can load it, I was born for this. There ain't no point in avoiding it. Annoyed, a bit, put a bit till I 비켜, 네 앞으로 뺏겨. Logging you out like a lullaby.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Aaralyn. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Make a wish and say hiya. Cut the cake. I know you can't cut it, so you just make a wish. Yay!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to